In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI feature for detecting spam content. We'll use a comment moderation example. After a user submits a comment, AI will instantly analyze the comment. It will decide whether it's spam or inappropriate content, provides a reason, and the result will be saved automatically. First, let's look at the data model. We need to prepare a table for user comments. This table includes 3 key fields. The comment content field stores the original user input. The is spam and reason fields will be used to store the AI's results. I've already created the comment table here in advance. Next, set up the AI agent. For the input, we need a text type input to receive the user's comments. For the prompt template, I've prepared one in advance too. You can adjust it based on your real business needs. First, give AI a clear role. Then in the goals, give AI task details. Explain that it should detect spam based on gibberish, spamming, or low-quality content. And make sure to reference the input we just created. For the output type, choose structured output. Then define the spam status, its spam, and the detection reason. You can also add descriptions to make the AI output match your needs even better. Using structured output helps AI generate results as JSON data that your backend can use directly. Click Sync. Now let's build the action flow. Step 1. In the Start node, define a text input called content, which will receive what the user types on the front end. Step 2. Set the action flow execution mode to async. Then run the AI conversation. Pass the input content to AI for processing. Step 3. Add an add data node. Save the original comment content, along with the AI spam status result, and also the detection reason into the database table. Click Sync again. On the page, add an input box and a submit button. Bind it to the action flow we just created. And pass the input value in as a parameter. Click Preview. Type in some random gibberish as a test. Then go back to the database. You'll see the action flow triggered successfully. An AI correctly recognized this as spam, marked it as spam, and saved the result.